Hi, my name is Valerie Rubinski. I'm the Global Sales Engineer for the Siemens Company, as well as the Chair of the TIA TR 42.7 Copper Cabling Subcommittee. Since 2002, when the Category 7 Class F standard was first ratified, there's been an increased interest in the benefits and features of fully shielded cabling systems. Since Category 7 Class F is considered a state-of-the-art technology, I'd like to take a few moments reviewing the top 10 features of this cabling system with you. The Siemens Company's Category 7 Class F solution, which is called TERA, is the highest performing cabling solution in the world. In fact, only Category 7 Class F cabling is supported by a published standard and capable of supporting the 10G-base-T application today. Siemens TERA cabling systems provide the lowest total cost of ownership of any copper cabling solution. Because of TERA's enhanced ability to support the application standards most likely to follow 10G-base-T, it can be expected to outlast all other varieties of twisted pair copper cabling. The longer a cabling plant can support expanding network needs, the longer an end user can avoid a costly system upgrade. Siemens TERA cabling carries a minimum 15-year projected life cycle, while other copper cabling systems are only estimated to sustain a 10-year life cycle. Unlike other structured cabling systems, which have a usable life cycle of 10 years, the Siemens TERA fully shielded solution has a usable life cycle of 15 years. This provides a significant benefit in that it limits the frequency or the need for cabling upgrades. Each cabling upgrade involves the generation of scrap, waste, and the need to dispose of existing cables. TERA's ability to extend the time frame between upgrades can actually be leveraged for green building credits. Many end users question how a Category 7 TERA fully shielded solution can interface with their existing switches and computers. The solution is simple. Use a hybrid cord that connects a Category 7 plug to your Category 7 permanent link and has an RJ45 modular plug on the other end to connect to either your switch or your workstation. Siemens fully shielded TERA cabling can also uniquely support up to 4 separate applications with just one cable and outlet. This practice is called cable sharing. Fitting within a standard RJ45 footprint, the combination of the TERA outlet and cord options allows extremely simple facilitation of cable sharing. As with traditional cabling channels, all 4 pairs of each cable would be terminated in a single outlet. However, unlike an RJ interface, the TERA outlet can support up to 4 one-pair voice applications or video applications, 2 two-pair voice over IP or data applications, or a combination of the two, without the need for additional splitters or adapters. TERA fully shielded cabling is the only structured cabling solution that can support all channels of CATV. In fact, one TERA outlet can support up to 4 CATV or CCTV channels. Capable of supporting over 1,000 megahertz of bandwidth per pair, TERA cabling easily supports the 862 megahertz broadband video requirement. This eliminates the need to run additional coaxial channels for video support. The TERA fully shielded video solution is easily implemented through the use of TERA video balance. The pending Class F sub A cabling requirements extend the Class F bandwidth from 600 to 1000 megahertz and specifies the Siemens TERA interface. Created as an amendment to ISO IEC 11801, Class F sub A is targeted to support the next generation of data applications beyond 10G-base-T, as well as support all frequencies of CATV video. New connector requirements are specified in addition to of IEC 61076-3-104 and recognize the interface based on Siemens TERA connector as a standard interface for Class F sub A cabling. The Siemens TERA fully shielded cabling solution is also perfect for use in environments where emissions and immunity is a concern. An example of such an environment is a government facility where compliance to tempest ratings is critical. In fact, the Siemens TERA cabling system is the only solution that's been certified by a third-party test facility, Dayton T. Brown, for use in tempest-rated environments. Copies of certified test reports are available upon request. Siemens TERA cabling solution may also help to reduce energy consumption in next-generation chips and equipment. For example, because TERA has virtually zero internal crosstalk and virtually zero alien crosstalk, it can eliminate the need for power-consuming chokes, transformers, and complex digital signal processing, or DSP, in next-generation active equipment. According to a study conducted by KEI Communications and the Siemens Company, we can realize an approximate 22% reduction in inline power consumption if we use a fully shielded TERA or Category 7 cabling solution to support the 10G base T application. The Siemens Company TERA outlet and plug can be quickly terminated and grounded. The Siemens Company designed the TERA cabling system back in 1999 with shielded markets and the end user in mind. Using Siemens TERA's All Prep tool, the fully shielded cable can be prepared by easily stripping the outer jacket, folding back the braid, and then stripping the foil from all 4 conductors without scoring the inner conductor insulation. The pairs are then aligned by the proper color code, inserted into the plug or outlet, trimmed and terminated to the insulation displacement contacts, or IDCs. The connector housing is snapped on, which makes a 360-degree ground connection to the cable braid, and that's it. The whole process is finished and completed in less than 4 minutes. Well, thank you very much for your time. It's been my pleasure to review with you the top 10 benefits of a Siemens TERA fully shielded cabling solution. Please feel free to contact the experts at the Siemens Company for any additional questions you may have regarding structured cabling solutions.